Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Instinct tutorial video. In this video I'm going to give you 5 battery saving tips for your Garmin Instinct. These tips will not remove any of the functionality from the watch, so there's nothing like turn off the heart rate monitor or turn off Bluetooth, anything like that. You'll still have all notifications, everything. Alright, so the first tip is going to be to modify the timeout for notifications. So we'll do that by going into Menu, holding down the Menu button, then going down using the ABC button to Settings, and then from there going to Phone, going to Smart Notifications, and then we're going to go down to the timeout and make sure this is 30 seconds. Alright, so the next tip is related to strictly the GPS used during activities. You want to make sure that this is UltraTrac. First, go into an activity by selecting GPS button. I'm going to go into Run. Once we're in Run, select the menu button to go into Options, and then go down to Run Settings. We're going to scroll down until we see GPS, and then we're going to select UltraTrac. This option is recommended by Garmin to save battery and still use GPS. The next 3 tips are related to the display, so let's get into the display settings by first holding down the menu button, then going down to Settings. After that, go all the way to the bottom. You find System, and then we're going to go into Backlight. Now really you're going to get the most savings if you do both during activities and not during activities, but I'm only going to do not during activities because that's going to be most of the time spent on this watch. So the first thing we're going to do is go down to Gestures. You want to turn this off. Gestures are where if you turn your watch up facing towards you, it'll turn the backlight on. That uses a lot of battery life. I have it currently set to after sunset. I think that limits it, but if you want to get the maximum battery life out of this, go ahead and turn that off. Next we're going to scroll down and go to the timeout. Really the lowest you can go on this that you still find convenient to you and that fits your needs is going to be the best because it's going to have the backlight on for that amount of time. So I have 8 seconds, but you could go down to 4 seconds. We'll just quickly turn on, let you know there's a notification, and then turn quickly off. Next we're going to go to brightness. Right now I have it at 100% just for filming this video, but I usually keep it at around 20%. Even 10% is not bad. You can still read the watch face in direct sunlight, so it still works great at even a low percentage, and that's really going to significantly help your battery life. Alright, so those were 5 battery saving tips for the Garmin Instinct. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Instinct tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.